In today's video, I'll be sharing a native sauce that you can use to eat white yam or plantain, which is called Ugba sauce. Ugba is also known as oil bean, which is highly proteinous and very nutritious. To prepare this delicious Ugba sauce, I have a pan on the fire. I'll go in with some palm oil, allow it to heat up a little, then add some washed and cleaned smoked fish. Throw in some chopped onion and give it a gentle stir. I'll be seasoning the fish now with some salt, seasoning cube, then I'll be adding some crayfish. As I stir while it cooks, my yam is on the fire. I'll be serving this Ugba sauce with boiled yam. This is Obi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. The next ingredient I will add is the Ugba, the shredded oil bean. After the Ugba, I'll be adding chopped red and green Scotch bonnet pepper, then more onion. I'll be giving it a good mix. I'll stir to mix well so that it will combine while it cooks. This is a very delicious native sauce. The next ingredient will be the ogiri. This ogiri is a native seasoning. It's a native African seasoning for sauce and soups. Ogiri adds flavor, aroma, and a rich African taste to your sauce and soups. I'll be giving it a good stir so that it will mix and combine well. Ogiri is a fermented seasoning paste that gives your African meal that rich African flavor. It makes your soups and sauce very tasty. I'll be adding some water into the sauce, just a little water. You don't really need much water to make this sauce. If this is your first time here and you like this recipe, like my videos, share my videos, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy food recipes. The next ingredient going into the sauce is the utazi leaf. Utazi leafy green is best for Ugba sauce. If you don't like utazi, you can go ahead and use any vegetable of your choice. I'll be adding some more palm oil into the sauce. Give it a stir, and that is it. Our sauce is ready. This Ugba sauce is very easy to make. It saves time, very quick, and very delicious. Give it a try. You will love it. Now I'll be turning off the heat, then serve my Ugba sauce with the boiled yam. Come join me with your glass of juice, or better still, get some fresh palm wine. Let's enjoy this Ugba sauce together. Thank you to my returning subscribers, and thank you to everyone who finds time to watch my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. If you're looking for a very flavorful native sauce to pair with your yams, your boiled yam or roasted yam and plantain, then Ugba sauce should be your number one, because this is quite tasty. This is rich in flavor. This Ugba sauce is very nutritious and very easy to prepare. Let's have a taste. This is nice. This is delicious. This is good. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.